So I have decided to make the most amazing, delicious veg bowl. And it is very easy to make it vegan as well if I just do one swap in it. So I really do hope you're going to enjoy this one. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Before you do anything, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any new recipes I post here. It's got a base of beautifully flavored hummus topped with crunchy cauliflower, a fantastic sweet and sour salad, and most easy and delicious flatbreads. Here I have got 300 grams of plain flour, and to this I'm going to add quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to first quickly mix it up. 4 tablespoons of yogurt, just natural yogurt. And then again mix it. Here I have got 110 ml of water. I'm going to slowly add this and make it into a soft dough. Again, I might not need all of it, so please don't add all of it together. Please add a little at a time because you don't want a wet dough. Just going to knead it for a few seconds until it's smooth. And that is nice and smooth. I'm going to let it rest in the same bowl and leave it for 10 minutes. So that's our dough that has rested. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, I'm just going to take a portion of that, just roll it in some flour and then roll it out. So now I can make this plain as it is, but today I am making it with a bit of za'atar spice mix. So I'm just going to put some water and then just sprinkle a bit of za'atar mix. It's a lovely blend of spices. And in goes in a hot pan. Just cook for a few minutes. And look, it's puffed up beautifully. Wow, it smells incredible and it's going to taste absolutely stunning. Just look at that beauty. And then I'm going to finish with some butter because you can't really have a bread without butter. So I'm going to add a tin of chickpeas. I have washed and rinsed them. That's 400 grams of chickpeas. And to this I'm going to add 2 heaped tablespoons of tahini or sesame seed paste. And also going to throw in 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to flavor this with some sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm going to add 2 of these and also going to drizzle a tablespoon of the oil from here. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt to this and now blitz it. You might also need to add a couple of tablespoons of water to help blitz this. Here I have got roughly 500 grams of cauliflower, and I've cut it into small bite-sized pieces. I'm going to cover it with water and bring it to a boil. And as soon as it comes to a boil, we take it off the heat and straight away rinse, drain it. And then I'm going to let it cool down for 5 minutes. So here I've got 4 tablespoons of plain flour, and to this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and also half a teaspoon of garlic salt or garlic powder if you have, or if not then fresh garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and last 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And give it a good mix. For the batter, I have got 100 grams of plain flour in a bowl. To this I'm going to add 50 grams of corn flour and half a teaspoon of garlic salt or plain salt, and mix it up. And now I'm going to add some flavors. So 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. And now I'm just going to add some water. It smells so good. Right, so that is looking pretty good, and I think that would be like a thin pancake batter, or actually thick cream. So I'm going to leave this aside now. And then I'm going to just add this into our spice mix, and then just try and not break it, and cover it up with the spice mix. And it's properly coated. Look at that. So I've got hot oil in the pan on the hob, getting ready. So I've got cauliflower and spices, the batter and some breadcrumbs here. And I'm just going to dip these in the batter like this. Get rid of the excess, and then with my right hand I'm just going to coat it in the breadcrumbs. And then just going to quickly fry them off in batches until golden. And look at these. Oh my god, they look stunning. Crispy, delicious. And for the salad, I'm just going to cube some cucumber. And I'm also going to tear in some lettuce leaves. And then I've got mango here. This is kesar, but you can use, actually for this, you can use a really quite a hard or not a very ripe mango. So the ones you get in the supermarkets are actually perfect for this kind of salad. But right now this is all I have at home, so I'm just going to add some cubes of this mango to this, and then finish it with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lime juice, and then just mix it all up. and a tiniest drizzle of olive oil. Then I'm going to plate it. So this is our total hummus, and I am making 4 plates today. So I'm just going to first put some hummus in the bowl. And then next goes in our lovely crispy cauliflower nuggets. And there goes our lovely mango salad. And that is so delicious. If you are in doubt that the cucumber and mango won't go together, please don't be, because it just is so good. And also with the hummus, everything comes together so it's just like a hug in a bowl. It's good for any time of the day, any season, and I really do hope you are going to enjoy it. Look, that bread is so soft. Oh, just scoop it all up and enjoy it. And when I finish, and once the video is done and cooking is done, that's when I get to my other job, which is washing up. See you later.